Hello, Wrenching a Race faithful. I'm Jay, your host, and today this is like the third day of prep for the car, for the race, for the Pittsburgh race, which is in, I think, less than 3 weeks. 3 weeks from yesterday, we're going to leave for Pittsburgh. I'm going to attempt to finish the wiring of the race car, I should say the rewiring, and we're going to go from this gauge panel to this gauge panel. So we'll have some more information for the driver. Hopefully not too complicated for some of them because, you know, they're already challenged enough. And I'll try and, you know, show you my amazing wiring, crimping techniques. And we'll get the show on the road. I'm gonna do some welding. I gotta remount the bracket that holds this whole thing up. So there'll be some of that going on today. And now that I found the tripod, which I'm using, we're going to do all that fun stuff today. I think Patrick's going to show up today, and then everyone else is working as usual. So stay tuned. Don't turn it off. Hit the like and subscribe button. Even if you haven't even watched it, just hit the buttons, and we'll have some fun. All right. Oh, shit, I forgot the bourbon for Patrick. He's going to kill me.
Am I supposed to be recording this?
I mean, you know.
So is it the?
It would be great to capture that moment, but it's lost.
It's blinking red.
Then it's, I think, recording. What I think we need to do is figure out how to have this like this. But I need you to sort of hold it so we can sort of get an idea of where it amounts, how to do this.
Dude, watch the paint.
I know. That's the best thing about like that shit. Like that. How's that?
That's awesome. It's like Mad Max meets Porsche.
Right? Now I just need you to hold it like this.
While you weld it?
Yeah.
Let's try another plan.
If you just hold that side like that, I'll tack it real quick. Just hold the top.
Hey, how you doing?
Oh, UPS?
Yeah, UPS. Don't watch this. It's a lawsuit waiting to happen.
Thanks, buddy.
Take care. I gotta say, I hate this idea.
No, it's good. Stop moving it. All right, that should hold up.
Let go?
Yeah.
In the documentary, the UPS guy is gonna say, well, they were alive
At 3:30.
The big feller, he said something stupid, and I couldn't hear what the other feller was saying because he was inside the car with the mask on. And
I couldn't see even who it was. So, right now, just assembling the gauge panel, gauge and switch panel. I don't think I'll obviously get everything hooked up today.
so what brand is that one? Our oil pressure gauge?
Yeah. I can't fucking... This gauge just be 2 1/16 like everything else. So what we're doing is we're going to put these negative terminals on this with everything else so that all these wires have someplace to go and get attached to. It's great that the team though comes out and helps. You know, that's what's the best part about this whole racing thing is everybody gets together and works on the car, makes stuff up as they go along like I do. So this was the template. And here's the finished product. Oh, we still have the warning lights to do, and I gotta mount the fire pole, but basically, that's it, man.
Muy bien. Still smells like welding in here.
I know.
You got a bunch of wires coming in here.
What do you think?
It's big pimpin'. I think he'll be psyched when he comes and sees that it's...
It's a little big. That's all right.
I mean, it'd be cool if it was all on the steering wheel.
That's right. All right, well, that wraps up another, would you call it a productive day?
Every day with Jay Silver is productive.
Semi-productive day. We got a bunch of stuff done. I did some new ground connections. Ran some more wires. You see the different colors going in there. And then most of all, we mounted the instrument cluster gauges and switchboard. It's a little big, a little wide, but overall, it feels pretty good when you're inside. Still a lot more to go. We still have brakes to do. We got to mount the tires, got to get all the tires balanced. We got to change all the fluids. We got to finish wiring, and then we got to test the car to make sure everything's working. We're planning on doing a little gas, I guess, a little inside the gas tank, but I'm not sure we're going to get to that. We want to do some standoffs on top of the fuel cell so that the big case fits on top of that. We leave in less than 3 weeks for Pittsburgh. But keep watching. Thanks. Bye.